in the action, boys. Now I got something I really want to talk to y'all about today. It's been on my mind for a minute now, and I feel like you guys deserve to know. Bruh, I'm not sure if I'm a man or a woman. Just kidding, but fuck, would that have been a plot twist? No, for real. There's been something on my mind, a split if you will. I got two things to choose from, a man and a woman. I don't know what I'm into, bro. Just kidding again. Okay, shitty gay jokes aside, this is an actual issue I'm facing today. I got two pairs of cool kicks right there, bro. I got some Supreme motherfucking slides and I got a pair of Yeezys. I don't know what the fuck to wear today. But then I take a step back for a second and really think about what matters. Bro, there's motherfucking kids in Africa that don't even have shoes, bro. Not to mention two shoes to pick from for what they're gonna wear on their feet today. Then I step back again and I say out loud, fuck those kids in Africa, bro. This is a real fucking problem and we have to solve it today. This can't go unresolved. God damn that NameBran, and I'm gonna do something about it. No, we're not feeding kids in Africa. We're not that cool of a channel. However, we're gonna mold these two kicks together in some sort of transvestite. Is that bad? Shouldn't say that. We're gonna mold these kicks together in a Transformer style, making the Supreme Yeezy slide, bitch. And then we changed our fucking shirt, bro. These ideas were way too hot. Just kidding, I spilled coffee all over my last one. But of course y'all know the NameBran fans, real Sean. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the motherfucking goats. If you guys enjoyed this idea for a custom, leave a thumbs up, comment down below. Guess what? We got a fucking giveaway too. Wild. We're giving out one merch shirt today. I'm trying to do one every single video for the next 20 days. We're doing the 20-day merch shirt giveaway challenge again. Follow the Instagram, comment, and leave a thumbs up down below. That's all you gotta do. And what you gotta comment is if you're stoked or not for my entire fake Supreme HYPEBEAST collection. Is fucking lit and really sad because there's a lot of fake shit that I have. And of course, if you guys didn't know, I'm NameBran. I jack off 3 times a day. Now y'all gotta decipher if I'm being truthful or not, because anyone who says you jack off 3 times a day probably jacks off about 5. But I ain't gonna say anything. Let's go. Sick room change, eh? So let's get into the segment of the video where I show you what we're customizing today, aka explaining myself for using something fake. Now this one was kind of hard to choose what I was gonna customize. First off, we have these Supreme slides right here. This is the only thing in the video that is fake. I'll let you guys know if we ever customize something that's fake, I'll let you know. And if I don't let you know, it's real. We always try with real. However, when I was looking on eBay for these shoes that were real, I couldn't find them, so I bought these off of Wish. It's gonna make a cool custom anyway. I'm not hurting too bad. However, the fake Supreme slides right there. Next up, you guys know I got a plethora of Yeezys that I customized. These ones right here, the ones that I came out with. These ones are gonna make the dopest slide possible. We got the Oreo, what are these called again? Oreo Yeezys right here. They're fucking weird and all colored differently because I blew up a spray paint can on them, which was a crazy video. Go check that out. But as you guys are about to see, we're gonna use the bottom of this shoe, and the speckling here from the spray paint is gonna make it look extra fucking saucy. It also looks like semen splatters, so that made me laugh. Those are the 2 shoes we're getting into today. Y'all follow along with the steps and let's get going, bro. First things first, man, grab your blowtorch that you're gonna blowtorch your neighbor's cat with because you're a sick motherfucker. You fucking red flag of a murderer. And then grab a knife, we're heating the bitch up. So if y'all been following along with these stupid videos for a minute now, y'all know we take this, we ignite the bitch, we light this up, and then we start using the hot knife to cut through the shoe. Now what we're looking at right now is we're gonna cut off the top of this shoe, leaving the bottom, which is gonna be the bottom part for the dopest slide y'all have ever seen. Jesus, you ain't got shit on us, bro. Except for probably a gigantic cock, because you're Jesus. Follow along, pussy lickers, let's go! If only the dude in Blue's Clues talked to me like that, I would be a stand-up guy. And then we find out that it is out of fucking butane. Fuck!
A few moments later.
Okay, this may or may not kill me. I just found another one, and I think, I don't know what it is. It says propane, should be okay. What the fuck is this even from? Oh, she's good! Alright, let the custom begin! She red hot, boys. Now we're gonna take the shoe and just start cutting very gently. Oh, it's butter! I keep forgetting my roommate's home and she already thinks I'm a fucking retard. Not really the best transition we've ever done. So here's the shoe right here. It looks really, really dope, the speckled. Now I'm just gonna go along and start cleaning all these little bits off. I'm really good at cleaning bits off because I always jizz in places I shouldn't, so I have to cover up my tracks. Your mom's face. I just kinda wish. Bitch, about $1 that tomorrow. I ran out of good transition music. NameBran stoned again? Yes. Wild. Insole complete. Now we gotta get the Supreme slide and decapitate that bitch. So this where the shit gets a little harder. We gotta cut this top part off of this right here. So we gotta slide down with the knife, you know, kind of come up here. I really wish this shit was real because it would make this custom so much more dope. However, the visual is still gonna be the same. Don't give me too much flack down below. I know it's fucking fake, alright boys? Oh, NameBran better than you because you have fake shit and I don't. Go fuck yourself, Timmy. Now heat up that knife like you heated up your chicken noodle soup, you bitch. Chicken noodle soup is stupid. I love chicken noodle soup, actually. Heat up the knife like you heated up your wife, you murderer. That's all I got. Woo, she's spicy. All right, boys, this is a hard part, cutting this off. I'm gonna have to get really, really intricate with it, so hopefully the camera angles aren't too bad. Fuck! I've already burnt the fucking plastic, idiot! So I hope you guys are actually following along with this, because it's gonna be the dopest fucking custom y'all have ever created. Any bitch will come up to you and be like, bruh, I know you saw that from NameBran. I know you saw that from him. Oh, NameBran, your balls are so big. Put them in my mouth. Important update, we got one side off, bow that ass, now we just got one more to go. It's actually not looking too bad at all. So what I did here is just cut off a big chunk, just kind of like cut through in there, and then what you need to do is shave it off after if you need to fit it on the shoe. Selena Gomez, kill the transition. Ooh, man, Yeezy Busta, more like your Yeezy mask is ass compared to my mask. Asshole. So that's it right there. We can also make a sick mask out of it. That's coming real soon. Do not take that idea. So now, y'all know what's going on here. We're plopping this bitch onto this bitch, making the Supreme slide. Let's go over to the next table so I can glue, because I'm not allowed to glue on this one, because my girlfriend's a Jew. Bars. Ah, shit. I knew it. Fucking knew it. Okay. Like this. Where is it? Get up. Get up. Ah, it's still on. No. Okay. Woo, you just have to press the button. You actually don't have to rip it off the wall. Fuck. Now welcome to the only table in the house I'm allowed to glue on. Yeah. Yeah. Right, Pan? Yeah, fucking badass. So we got these pieces right here. We gotta glue it on here, which means we gotta be equipped with a fucking glue gun. I feel hot glue always works the best on shoes. It's not necessarily the cleanest or the like sturdiest. However, it does a job for the thumbnail, which is all we're worried about, boys. That's where the fucking views come in. So heat that bitch up, get her going, and start spewing sperm. Fuck, that's hot. Oh, by the way, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Also, I'm gonna give you guys a little word at the end of the video so you can win the merch shirt, because you gotta actually watch the end so I get more watch time. Let's get gluing. So once your glue gun's hot as tits, we're gonna go to the hardest part, which is laying on the glue really well. This shit dries so quick. And then we just gotta pick the placement as well as we can. This, once again, doesn't matter too much for y'all, but I'm trying to make a dope fucking thumbnail, so this shit has to line up fucking perfect. Because this part I'm gluing on right now is the part you're gonna see in the thumbnail. This is called Strategy Talk with NameBran. Then we come up with a clickbait title with models and tits and asses, so you guys click on it even more. Now as we hold it to dry, it's gonna take a little bit of time. I'll hold it over here so you guys don't see the finishing product. We got a trick shot. Fuck, that hurt, Panda. So as we let this dry a little bit more, I do want to ask y'all down, oh, I gotta do a little bit more gluing. I want to ask y'all down below, what other customs y'all want to see? It's been very apparent that you guys have been thinking that customs are a hit on the channel. The views have been really good, and I have endless ideas. I got a full fucking notebook full, but I'd also like to hear your ideas, because mine are always kind of fucking weird, and they don't usually turn out too well. So if you guys have any ideas that I wouldn't have thought of that could possibly turn out a lot better, then let me know down below. Shit, I keep touching the glue. Why does it have to be hot, man? Oh boys, the finishing products here. I introduced you the Yeezy Supreme slide right here, which turned out so dope. As y'all can see, I really like the white splatters. I think that added so much. And I don't know if you guys noticed, when I was making the shoe, I didn't have an insole. I lost for this one at one point. However, I've got this spare parts like sneaker bucket back there with all this shit that's been destroyed. And I found this right here, which is from the Bread Yeezy. So that went on really nice. All around Supreme. Yeezy right there. If you guys want it on foot, we can absolutely do it, and maybe we'll give it away. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it at sneaker cons. I'm not bringing my collection there anymore. Therefore, I got no use for this shit. I got no room for this shit. So maybe we'll give this away. Follow me on Instagram and I'll let you guys know if we end up doing that. You guys can see from the picture that I would be posting tonight. But let me know down below with a fat like, what do you guys think about this? The Yeezy Supreme Slide. This shit's lit. Y'all are lit. NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the motherfucking goats. Blow.